How to activate your CIBC credit or debit card. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. To activate your CIBC credit or debit card, follow the steps. First of all, download the CIBC mobile app's latest version. Head over to Play Store or App Store and install it. Once that is done, launch the application. Now that you do, you have to log in using your credentials. Once that is done, in the home page, tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left corner to find the Activate Card option. Once that is done, you have to enter the card details. This includes card number, card expiration date, and the CVV security code. After entering the required information, tap on Activate Card. If there are any additional questions you need to answer, make sure to give it correctly to verify your identity. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.